Hey guys, Kuya Den here. I messed up and forgot to turn the mic on while shooting the original video, and we only had half a day to shoot everything. So we're using a synthesized voiceover this time. Anyway, let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip6. It comes in gray, blue, yellow, and green. I didn't find a dark colorway, so there might be other colors available, but I'm really liking the yellow. The Flip 6 has a huge upgrade in the camera department, now packing a 50 megapixels main sensor with OIS, up from 12 megapixels on the Flip 5. It still has the 12 megapixels ultra-wide and 10 megapixels selfie cameras, just like its predecessor. One of my favorite features is using the cover screen as a live monitor for solo shooting. The Flip 6 now automatically zooms into a human subject, which is great for content creation. Samsung is also pushing its Galaxy AI with this launch, similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. What's cool is that it now includes more generative imaging features that usually require a subscription with third-party apps. For example, you can create a cartoon version of yourself or draw on the screen and have it turned into a realistic image. Plus, it has real-time transcription and translation of voice recordings. The big question is whether Samsung will charge for these AI features in the future. As of now, there's no clear answer, but it's something to watch out for. Hardware-wise, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is well-designed and solidly constructed, just like the Flip 5. It feels robust in hand, maintaining the high-quality build we've come to expect from Samsung. However, some competitors have released thinner and lighter flip phones, which might be a consideration for potential buyers. So, how much will the Galaxy Z Flip 6 cost? In the Philippines, the Z Flip 6 with 256 gigabytes of storage will retail for PHP 70,990, while the 512 gigabytes variant will be PHP 78,990. To know more about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, drop a comment or visit Tech Kuya on YouTube.